Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to cancel a direct debit in your Starling Bank app the right way. Whether you're switching providers or just cutting a cost, this step-by-step guide has you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Starling Bank app and head over to the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Next, tap on Scheduled. This is where all your upcoming payments, including direct debits, are listed. Step 3. Scroll through the list and select the direct debit you want to cancel. Step 4. Once you've selected it, tap on Cancel Direct Debit at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. To finalize the cancellation, you'll need to enter your Starling account password. This confirms you really want to cancel it. Bonus tip. After canceling, it's a good idea to contact the company you were paying, just to make sure there are no interruptions or surprises. And that's how you cancel a direct debit in your Starling Bank app the right way. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy banking tips. See you next time!